Why do we instinctively lean back when someone nearby coughs, even if we barely know them? In crowded spaces, the brain predicts airborne particles and upgrades personal space, a habit that reduces potential exposure. This automatic shift happens before we think, guided by learned cues and our body's reflexes from childhood etiquette. Studies show our autonomic nervous system tightens the chest, redirects airflow, and widens stance to block droplets. So next time a cough travels through the room, are you protecting yourself or quietly teaching your body a safer reflex?